y'all. It's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I just wanted to show y'all how to make these super cute flowers made from circle dies or circle punches, just using varying sizes. And if you don't have dies or circle punches, you could take anything that is round, that has a round bottom, and just trace it on your paper and cut it out. So literally anyone could make these. And pretty much I like to just go through and use up my scrap paper. So I went through, I cut out a bunch of circles in various sizes and designs, pattern paper. Most of them I already used up over here. But these are adorable. And then I just went through and I added bling and buttons and whatever to help jazz them up. So pretty much, let me just show y'all how to make one really quick. I just wanted to give them a little extra character, so I used my, what's this called? A distressing tool. I've had it for a long time. Apparently it came from close to my heart. I don't know where you could get these, but I'm sure you could find something. Or you could even use the edge of your scissors, your finger. I just like to go around and just kind of distress it a little bit. It helps give it some character, in my opinion. You could take and ink the edges if you wanted. And then pretty much you just go in and you just cut. And I'm not a perfectionist, so it doesn't matter to me if they're all perfectly spaced or not. You just have to be careful not to cut all the way through or cut too close, or it'll end up cutting one of the petals out on it. But then I like to just fluff it up, and then you just decide what you want to use as your middle piece to make the flower. And I even did these, and there might be an easier way to distress things this small, but I still just use this thing. And I'm okay even if it tears it a little bit. I feel like it just gives it more character. And then ink it up. And I like to just use a little piece of foam tape and put on there, and it just pops it right up to give it a little bit of dimension. And then you can just, you know, fluff this up if you want to separate the petals. You could even go back in and lightly with your ink, you could just pull them up a little bit so that you're getting each petal. It's really just about how much time you want to put into it, but I think it's a great way to create embellishments for your page without paying a fortune for the same thing that they're doing, and you have to pay a lot. And then you can just add a button, you could add bling. Really the sky is the limit when it comes to that. I'm just going to use the pink one. And I like to use tacky glue to add buttons when I'm using them on my projects so that they hold well. And voila! You have a little flower embellishment. So tomorrow I am going to work on putting these flowers and the pinwheels that I did yesterday together, and I'm going to create a layout using those. So that pretty much you see how to use the embellishments we've been making to take them from just an embellishment to actually turn them into a project. So, come back for that. I also am still doing my 100 subscriber giveaway, and I will link that video below so that you can go and comment on it to be entered. And I just want to thank everyone for your support, for liking and subscribing to my videos, and y'all have a great day. Bye, y'all.